Good morning guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode we'll see how to install PUBG on your PC or laptop. I will take only 2 minutes, but it's a stable and powerful method. Before that, don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch till the end. So let's start. First of all, on Google, search for Play PUBG on PC. From the search result, click on the first choice, which is from Tencent Gaming Buddy. Basically, it is an emulator that allows us to play PUBG on PC or laptop. Not only PUBG, we can play other games also on this simulator. Now on the main screen, click on the download button for downloading this Tencent Gaming Buddy emulator. Yes, now it is downloaded. Click on that. On this new interface, click on the install button. If you want to install on another location, click on the browse button and then click install. Now you can see the emulator is getting downloaded. After downloading, click on the start button for starting the emulator. Before that, it will download the gaming engine. Now it's downloading PUBG mobile game. Yes, it will take little time. So the PUBG is also downloaded. Now installing PUBG on this interface. Yes, PUBG is installed successfully. You can see. If you want to play, click on the play button. Now it's initiating the game, asking for permission. It's setting up the basic for this game. Yeah, now it's done. You can see. That's all. Now we can continue with the game with all features included. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got any queries, write in the comment section. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video you have seen how to install PUBG on PC or laptop. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Write your opinion suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.